Okay, welcome to the second of my little n8n videos. What we're going to do here is a CCTV one where it shows wild animals in CCTV. It's quite popular at the minute, it's quite in, getting lots of views on Instagram and Twitter and etc. and all that good stuff. It's a very easy one. We've got two systems in play. We've got one out at the minute. I first saw this video online and he was using Fal AI, and it was $2 a go just for a 5-second video, and that was way too expensive. So I've done one with Kie AI that basically is 40 cents I believe, or 50 cents per video for 5 seconds, so it's well cheaper. So basically first thing what we need is a form submission. You just go into here, type form, oops, go in here, yep, type form, can't spell, get a form submission. It's a trigger, so you just click there and you get the event, and that will bring you to this. So you don't need any authentication for this. Title it what you want. I've just titled it CCTV generator. Quick description: generates viral animal CCTV videos. Obviously you'll then create an event. Go down here and just add a field, and basically you have to do all the animals. I've got dog, cat, hamster, rabbit, squirrel, raccoon, bird, etc. You can put there whatever you want, and as many as you want. I basically just asked GPT, give me a list of animals, I copied and pasted them, I put them in there. And then obviously one of the submissions is location. Right here, location's optional. Obviously with the first one it's a requirement, so we put the requirement field on. Then it's a location optional, drop down menu, backyard, garden, patio, front yard, deck, etc, etc. And then you've got a custom that's optional. It's just a text format, and then you just put in a prompt that you may want to put in that you like, just to guide it. But we're going to have a LLM that's going to prompt it properly, so then you just execute it on there. I'm not going to show you that in a minute. I'm basically just showing you how it is. So then you want a OpenAI model. I'm assuming you all know how to set up your credentials. If not, you set your credentials, you go to OpenAI, get your OpenAI key and fill out the forms. I'm not going to show you mine. It's the resources text, message, the model. We've got ChatGPT 4.0 latest, and in here we want all the bits. So basically what I suggest you do is just copy and paste this here, highlight it, screenshot it, take it to ChatGPT, do it. I'll just go down it so you've got time to look at it. I know a lot of people that put videos on YouTube tend to brush past this so you don't see it all. I'm not one of them, so you got it all seen. If you copy and paste this exactly, it will work, as long as you put in exactly what I've put in these folders here and name them correctly. So everything has to be the same, so it all marries up. Once we've done that, I will show you to Kie AI. So basically you do a HTTP request. God, my tongue's in my mouth, it's all upside down. It's a post request. Obviously we're going to go to this URL here. Again, just copy that URL and put it in there. It's a header half, and obviously you have to set your API. It's pay as you go is this AI, so just put in some credits. I think $5 is the minimum, and I think it costs 80 credits, but I think you get like 800 units to measure it, something like that, for 500. So you'll set that up. I believe it's header off. So when you do set it up, you have to put authentication there, and if Let me just look on my other screen. Believe it's bearer space, if I'm not yeah. So then you have to put bearer in here. So it's it's capital B, EAR space, then your API key, and that'll be good to go. Send body, so you need to send the body, just click that on. It's a raw application JSON, and then you just need this simple prompt. Put that in there. Bear in mind, when you do get to it, you might have to, it should automatically pick it up. If it doesn't, you'll just delete this here, this bit here in the brackets, and then from the opposite side just get in the JSON message content and pop it in there. Quite simple. Just put batch 1 and batch interval 3000. Right, I've put a wait nodule here. A lot of people do it like 20 seconds, 30 seconds. I've just done 200 seconds. That's enough time for it to generate and be ready for you. A lot of people put loops in and everything else. I don't feel the reason to do that. There's no reason to do it. So we just do that. Then obviously it's a GET request. You need this now for the HTTP. Copy this again, and basically you're just fetching it, and you need to make sure it's exactly like that. Come out of there, header off. Now you've done your authentication earlier, it should be exactly the same. So you just highlight it, click down your drop down menu and pick it, and away you go. Oops, let's go back. And then obviously using the fields below, put it in your task ID. Then when you've got your task ID here, you just fetch that down there. But again, just copy it and it will autofill itself. And that's all you need for that one. And then I've just got a Google Sheet. So obviously you need a Google account. You'll do the normal, set up your Google account. And then it's appendix row. Mine's called basic sheet with a URL, and then you just get the video URL from here and pop it there, and that is as simple as it is. And you will get, let me have a look here, if I go into mine now, if I go to my sheets now, you'll see I've produced a few videos. Shall we have a quick look? We'll have a quick look. Here we go. Got a little raccoon doing his stuff. Comes up, gives him a little finger. Quite cute, quite good. There is some more. Let's go back. I'm sure there's a dog one here somewhere, which is better. Obviously, you won't hit it perfectly every time. Here's a nice one. Hey, there you go. Happy little dog. Or not so happy, as the case may be. Okay, we'll come out of there, we'll go back to our n8n, and that's that, and that'll just go to your Google Sheet. Now then, on here, it's file. So all you do, instead of connecting to the other one, just connect to this, and you will post file AI. This is a little bit more expensive, but a lot of people like to use this. I don't know why. This is a URL you'll need. Copy and paste it, same as before, and obviously log in with your details with file. I believe file is key. I believe it says key space. You'd have to check the documents for that, but I'm sure it's key. Just thinking. Yeah, so you would put authorization there, and then it would be capital K E Y space API key, and then you're good to go there. Again, send body, raw application JSON, and then you just need this configuration, and that should do you good. If you do get trouble, you can just look across here and you'll just read that and it'll say it's come from the message content and it's a video prompt, and just drag it across. It's all good. Obviously it's not active, but I'm just showing you it's there. Another wait, I've put 120 seconds on this one, a bit faster is fal. Or you can just increase that. I'd probably increase that to 200 just to be doubly sure. And then it's just a get node, HTTP request again to get. Obviously it's a different URL to get, so you'll have that as your get request, and that is your ID from over here. It might not pick it up, so if it doesn't pick it up, just highlight these, delete them, go across here and get the request and just pop it into there. It's quite easy to do, you'll see it. When you see more of these videos, you'll know it's not difficult. We've got the setting there, and that is it. Obviously I haven't got it set up to here. You just disconnect that and pop that up there and just push it across, and then it goes to your Google Sheets, and that is the new modern easy way of doing it. I will get some more complex videos for you, but these are just basic ones to get you started and get you going. Well, I'm going to plan to do a lot more over the next couple of weeks, so I hope you enjoy. Good evening.